Manufacturing sourcing is changing, and with growing complexity and price pressure, sourcing decisions need to move faster than ever. The answer is SupplyOn AI native sourcing, an AI-based approach to significantly speed up the process from inquiry to order placement, all while keeping you in full control. With the RFQ creation agent, the AI comes up with the draft in next to no time. The buyer reviews, adjusts, and decides.
The power of AI here is not to replace sourcing expertise. It's about giving the buyers a better starting point so they can focus on the decisions.
AI identifies relevant suppliers based on the context, the requirements, and any accessible information about the suppliers. The offer creation agent supports suppliers in creating their offers in a smooth workflow. No scattered emails, no endless spreadsheets, more transparency right from the start. Once offers come in, AI compares them, highlights differences, identifies gaps, and prepares awarding recommendations with stronger documentation.
In manufacturing sourcing, price is only one part of the decision. You also need to understand quality, feasibility, risk compliance, and whether a supplier can really deliver.
SupplyOn AI native sourcing connects RFQ creation, supplier evaluation, offer handling, and award preparation in one controlled sourcing experience. Substantial time savings, crystal clear price comparisons, better decisions. SupplyOn AI native sourcing. Accelerate RFQs from request to award. Request a demo now.